Alright guys, this is just a plain old drive in this old 5.7 Hemi. Nothing crazy. Just going through the gills, man. Just going through the gills. That's about it, man. Making a little nighttime, evening time drive with the sunroof up. Or not open, but you know, open. But yeah, man, we out here in these streets with the 5.7 Hemi, man. I want y'all to just hear how this thing sounds. And if you've ever thought about getting a 5.7 Hemi or a Challenger, just in general, whether it be a V6, V8, Scat Pack, Hellcat, the body style changed up just a little bit, but this is the like 2013 year model look from the inside. Passenger seat, y'all see my camera over there. Back seat, I got leather. Didn't get the heated seats, but I do have the manual. So yeah, give y'all a little pull. Woo! Just a little something, little something, slight, you know what I'm saying? For the guys that say, oh man, that's just ain't nothing but a 5.7. Nothing but a little 5.7. Ain't nothing to them. But yeah, man, we're gonna take a little drive. I'm gonna talk to y'all, man. It's a little cold out, as y'all can see, it's 56. So that's why it broke loose like that. Traction control is on, so traction control did stop it from spinning. These are some Nitto, what Nittos? I can't even remember what Nittos these are, man. But I got some Nitto tires on here. Tires aren't that wide, they're 20. I think the factory Challenger wheels are like 20 by 9s or something. I do plan on changing the wheels to maybe something black, but I plan on revamping the look of the whole car, whether it be a wrap or whether I sand it down and just repaint the whole car. Honestly, I probably won't sand it down and repaint it. I may just wrap it or get somebody to wrap it, whatever. But yeah, man, we out here. Y'all just enjoy. And on it, this is factory. This is factory exhaust with the all it is those little I don't know, the little things that be in the back that make the car quiet. Whoever had the car before me, he cut those off. And when I bought this car, this is how it sounded. Let me get back on the road though. That's filth. And when I go to 6th gear, this car is almost quiet. Maybe y'all can hear a little something from the inside, but this car is nearly quiet when I go to 6th. When I go to 6th gear. But yeah, man, so we getting ready to make a few small changes to this car. Nothing major right now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, nothing major. My focus is on the El Camino and the Mustang right now. Those are my two main priorities. I can't say I put one over the other at the moment, but those are my two main priorities. But we are gonna start changing some things on here. Probably I might pick up some headers or something for this car, and then, you know, and then throw them on one day. Gotta love that Hemi sound, baby. The Coyotes and the Camaro, they sound good, but the Hemi sound good too. The Hemi sound good too. Now, when y'all straight pipe these Hemis, they sound horrible. I don't know if there's a car on the planet that sounds good straight pipe. I honestly don't know if there's one. I have heard a few small block Chevys, like the Gen 1 small block Chevys that were straight pipe, that sounded okay, but I haven't heard many that sounded any good. Don't even get me started on a Coyote without no mufflers or nothing on it. They sound horrible. A lot of people say Coyote sound horrible anyway. they sound pretty good to me when they got the right exhaust set up on them. Y'all already know the LS's, they sound crazy good. You know, set of mufflers will make them things sound so good. These Hemis are easy too, man. These are just the factory resonators that's on here. I mean, everything from front to back is stock. All right, guys. So we've been out riding for a few minutes. So I decided to let it get nighttime, so y'all can catch some of these nighttime vibes, man. We finna ride around a little bit, man. We gonna head to downtown Macon. As y'all can see, it's a lot of traffic on the interstate. Getting on I-75 north. We headed. We out getting it, man. We out riding around. But yeah, man. So let's talk about plans for this car. So I want to get headers for this car. I got to do a comparison between factory 6.4 headers and like aftermarket headers. So this is where I got to do my homework to see which one is better, or how much better, or long tubes than the shorty headers. I actually want to change the exhaust on this car, man, and make the car just sound different. I want to tune it. I want to put a supercharger cam in it for now, because I actually plan on boosting this car at some point. On the, you know, completely stock bottom end. Just, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit amount of boost. I said I wanted to do a Hellcat supercharger, but that might not be what I end up doing. So yeah, man, we just gonna keep cruising out. And yeah, man, y'all know how we be out here riding around, especially man, them late night vibes. If you can get out where some nice lights, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about, man. If you can get out where some nice lights and just catch them vibes, man, it's a nice vibe with some nice music. But yeah, man, so we are headed north. I'm gonna slide off. Like I said, I'm gonna ride down through downtown Macon. We're gonna see what's popping down that way. I'm gonna ride through and let them hit this 5.7, talk to them down through there. So alright, guys, so I'm hoping for a slightly warmer day. I'm hoping for a day where I can at least get 70, 75, so that we can go out. And I'm gonna prove a point that people act like the 5.7 Hemis aren't fast, but I actually honestly feel like the 5.7 Hemis are a decent starting point. I feel like they are a nice starting point. You know what I'm saying, for a nice street car. You know, you don't have to get a Scat Pack. You don't have to get a Hellcat. You can start out with a 5.7 Hemi and then just make some upgrades to it and be like me, pay it off. You know what I'm saying? Mine was cheap. It's paid off. I didn't, you know what I'm saying, I never had to stress about my car note because it was cheap, you know, because I wanted to say, oh, I got a Scat Pack, I got a Hellcat. So I never really stressed about my car note. My car note was like $380, I think. So I just want to show y'all, man, that the 5.7s can still be a good contender, man. So I know a lot of younger guys, man, that got them Scat Packs and Hellcats and stuff like that, man. They be having a hard time paying they notes and things on them cars, man. So that's why I say, man, I'm just here to try to prove a point. Now, I am against the V6s. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I am against the V6s. But I have to say this also. Different strokes for different folks. So if you're not somebody that you finna get out here and you know, you want to hit the pipes, if you don't care to hit the pipes and care to hit it and it break loose and you know, fighting with it, if you don't care to do all that, hey, V6 is the way to go. Get you a V6. Now, most of the time, the V6s don't come with the nice wheels and things on them, so that'll be something you'll have to change. But y'all see we almost in downtown Macon. I'm gonna go straight through this light. Whenever it give me the green, I got yellow over here, so we finna get green in a minute, hopefully. There we go. Slide in this other lane. Y'all can see that already, man. Sounds good, man. Oops, I didn't see them. I didn't see that light flashing. Some people trying to cross. So we gonna just go straight down through the most popular street down here. It's a Friday night. We're gonna see what downtown Macon hitting like. Probably not much, but we're gonna go anyway. Now what I had to remember right here is that I have to yield, because I've even forgot. I tend to forget that. Still trying to get used to this clutch, but as y'all can see, there ain't many people in downtown Macon. A lot of cars, but there's not people out and about. I guess it is kind of cold, so I guess that may be a major factor to why people aren't just out and about. But yeah, man, so we just out here just letting people enjoy this 5.7 Hemi music. Breaking this clutch in. But like I said, next video, I'm gonna prove to y'all that the 5.7s are still a contender. 5.7s are still a great platform. Don't let nobody tell you it ain't. You know what I'm saying? Because you can be like me. Like I said, man, have it, pay it off, and take that extra money and put it in the upgrades, man. You can literally do that. So, y'all know how we coming on PullsTv, man. Be going out, trying some more restaurants in my vlogs. Y'all know anywhere, let me know. Got a little Indian spot right here I might have to pull up at. Mostly, man, I'm just trying to try locally owned restaurants, and you know, y'all go try them. Y'all go try these places, man. So yeah, holla at y'all in the next video.